is 24, then 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 24 is 56. And this is incorrect.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take...
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. Today guys, I will explain and show the solution for the problem that has been posted in my page, Math-matic TV. So this is the problem and a lot of you answered it, 56. And there are also other different answers. So to clear it up, let me show you the solution and explain some points that are quite confusing. So let's start. Passively, you've got the answer of 56 if you done this way. So negative 4 squared is 16 plus 16 plus 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Then 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 24 is 56. And this is incorrect. The proper approach in this problem is, since the problem consisting more than one operations, we need to perform the PEMDAS rule, or the order of operations. It means that negative 4 squared has more priority than addition and multiplication, or the exponent has more priority than addition and multiplication. So we need to perform first the negative 4 squared. However, the common error in this problem is in the part of negative 4 squared. Why? Maybe some of you know that if a number raised to the even exponent, or if a number has an even exponent, will be equal always to positive, but not all time. In this case, negative 4 squared is not equal to 16. Why? Because negative 4 squared is the same in negative 4 squared. It means that the exponent 2 is only distributed in 4, not in the negative sign. So this is equal to negative 4 times 4. Now, negative times positive. Yes, still negative. It means negative 4 times 4 is equal to negative 16. So negative 4 squared is equal to negative 16. Now, since we simplify the exponent, we can proceed to the multiplication, because multiplication has more priority than addition. So let's bring down this 16, 4 times 6. Now let's proceed to the multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. And let's bring down this 2, which is negative 16 plus 16, then plus 24. Now, we can proceed to the addition, which is negative 16 plus 16. Negative 16 plus 16 is the same in 16 minus 16. So this is equal to 0. And let's bring down the 24. Now, 0 plus 24 is 24. Hence, the correct answer in this problem is 24. Guys, please take note this. Negative 4 squared is equal to negative 16. Negative 4 squared is equal to negative 16. And negative 4 squared is equal to negative 16. But negative 4 squared is equal to 16. Alright, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.